Mike Tyson once said, "Everybody has a plan until they are punched in the mouth." We all have a vision until life knocks it down. We all born with big dreams. We all born with great talents. We all born with skills, hopes, and aspirations. We all wanted to do great things when we were little. Some of us wanted to be doctors. Some of us wanted to be lawyers. Some of us wanted to be engineers, pilots, and astronauts. And we were very excited about these dreams until life threw its first punch and knocked us down. Some of you were abused both physically and verbally by the people who were supposed to love and protect you. Some of you were raped repeatedly by people close to you, so much so that you thought it was normal. Some of you never met your parents. Some of you were abandoned by your own parents. Some of you had parents who loved and cared for you so deeply, but they just couldn't provide for you financially. You put in all the hard work. You studied really hard and got good grades in school, but you couldn't further your education. You couldn't chase your dreams. You couldn't follow your vision because your parents had no money. And this has made your life unbearable. It shattered your dreams. It made your faith fade away and your hopes disappear. It's made you think that you can never get out of where you are right now. It's made you think that your dreams can never be accomplished and that you should stop thinking about them and settle for the bare minimum. But I want you to know that God gave you those dreams for a reason. You have those skills, you have those talents, you have those visions for a reason. Trust me, if you can see it, you can do it. If you can believe it, no matter how hard it might seem, you shall receive it. If only you stop leaning on your own understanding and start leaning on God and start putting your trust in God and start putting your faith in God, making Him the center of everything you do, He will make a way for you. Stop putting your faith in people. Yes, your parents may have given birth to you, but you came from God. God is your source, and He shall provide all the resources for your success. He shall provide all that you want and need to accomplish your dreams, your hopes, and aspirations. So don't lose hope. Don't give in. Don't give up. Because God didn't bring you this far to forsake you. He didn't bring you this far just to come this far. He didn't bring you this far just to leave you behind. He didn't bring you this far to shame you. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how long it's taken. It doesn't matter where you are right now. I want you to keep believing that God is in control. As long as He sits on the throne, He will make a way for you. All you gotta do is trust and obey. Cause there ain't no other way. Just abide under the shadow of His wings. Just follow Him wherever He goes and do whatever He says. Even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when it doesn't make sense. Because the world may tell you that seeing is believing, but my God says, believe and you shall see. Because we walk by faith and not by sight. Shalom.